Hey, hi, welcome back to Digit.in. My name is Vignesh, and here I am at the Autodesk University event where a lot of engineering students from around the country have gathered to show their engineering projects. Now I am joined by Kumar, who is about to show us his software that acts as an interface between the 3D printer and the
virtual
printing.
reality.
So it's could you tell me more about what the interface itself is?
So we have created a interface between 3D modeling and virtual reality. Okay. So what we have done is created a platform in which you can take the model directly from the modeling and you can place it in the virtual environment in which you can do the actual 3D printing process, and you can visualize that 3D printing process on the go with the different settings, with the different parameters, and you can visualize the outcomes of all the possible parameters, and you can select the best output from there, and you can put it for the printing, which will go into the printer. So as a layman, it becomes necessary for a person to visualize the printing process, which we can do there with our platform.
Okay, now could you tell me why this whole interface requires VR? It can well be done with just a mouse and the keyboard.
Yes, so it's a definitely we can make it on a screen, but virtual reality gives us a depth to the system in which we can visualize the actual size of the printed model, and this gives us a very clear idea of what we are going to print and what its size is going to be.
All right, great. Is there anything else you could tell us about your software?
Yeah, so we want to integrate with the different software. It will not be as a separate software. It will be integrated to probably Fusion 360 or some different software, in which if you are modeling, you can directly take this model into a VR world, and you can visualize the printing process, in which you may realize that I have to come back and go back to the software, and then you can redo the model and you can take it back into the printed model, where you can do different you can visualize the output model in different settings and eventually print it.
All right, thank you so much, brother.
Thank you very much.